Welcome. In this video I'll show how you can turn off Talkback on TCL phone. So to start, it is important to learn how to navigate your system, navigate your smartphone with Talkback mode enabled. So whenever you would like to tap and open something, you will first need to select this something by a single tap and then confirm it or launch it by a quick double tap. Now let's get back to the general settings page. So you scroll with your two fingers instead of one, as you would normally do, or well, as you would do without Talkback. So here, inside your device's settings, scroll all the way to the bottom, then select Accessibility, next Talkback, and simply switch it off. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.